Welcome back to another episode of my video, and today we are here to talk about a ways you can start making money on the internet as a beginner. Now there are a lot of strategies you can start making money on the internet, but that depends on how or the approach you are going to start using to make money on the internet. Now we all go out each and every day to work on our daily basis, or we go out to our offices, our workplace to work. But the need for us to also use our mobile phones to make money or our laptops to make money is very essential. So here are some three strategies which has been working for me as a content creator, and they need to share it with you guys. So first thing first, if you're new to this particular channel, all you simply have to do is to just subscribe to this particular YouTube channel you're watching the video here right now on, and also go ahead and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content just like this. And moreover, like this video, leave a nice comment in the comment section. I'll get time to reply you, and also you can check under the description. There is a link there to help you join my Telegram account. I go ahead and share a lot of strategies to make money and ways you can start making money even as a beginner. Now, to make money on the internet, first of all, you have to talk about consistency, which is just an elaboration about whatever I'm going to share or the three strategies I'm about to share. But you need to have a consistency in whatever you do on the internet, provided you believe and have the trust that you're going to earn good results out of it. You have to start keeping your consistency and also dedicate your time to whatever you do on the internet. Now, here are the top strategies which will be helping me to make money on the internet. Now, the first one I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways you can start making money on the internet. Now, in my few videos, I talk about how I made a video for affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing for beginners. You can scroll through my videos and check it out. But I'll take time to also give a brief description about affiliate marketing and how you can start it wherever you are in the country or in the world. All right. So affiliate marketing is basically a strategy which helps people to earn money as a third party. Now you are watching this video right now here. In case I'm selling products, I can go ahead and sell this product, and you come in for my product to sell this product. Now, based on the sales that they're going to make, I can go ahead and give you a good profitable commission per your sales. So that's good affiliates that you are trying to cooperate with me. Now, in other way rounds too, if I'm to sell a product for 100 USD or $100, you can go ahead as a third party to introduce my product to others, and then add a profit of 20 USD to $20 into that particular or onto that particular product, making it 120. So the 20 USDT in addition to the 100 is your profit in that way. So we have strategies to start affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and start affiliate marketing on the social media platform. Now, to start affiliate marketing on the social media platform, now there are a lot of ways people are making money, most especially or making good use of the social media platforms to make money through affiliate marketing. Now, most especially is TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media. Most at times, the common ones are TikTok and let's say Facebook. Now, depending on whatever you want to start, in case you want to go in for fashion, something like to sell clothes, something like to sell t-shirt, a lady's dress, shoes, bags, and whatever. That is your niche. So whatever you build upon should come out with a niche. Now the niche is going to help you let people focus or get to know that these are types of category things you are trying to sell. So if you're into fashion, that is this dress and shirt and other stuff, you have to build upon that niche on your social media platform. So wherever people visit you, they will get to know that this is what you are selling on your digital platform. So this is the simplest way you can go ahead. Now I'm gonna make a next video to introduce to you most of the affiliate programs you can start doing, because this is what others find it very difficult in making money on the internet. They don't get to know the legit or the rightful or the good affiliate marketing programs they can start making money with. Okay, so I'm going to make a video in my next video to introduce to you some of the top affiliate programs you can start making money with even as a beginner. This does not need any skills. Okay, you can start doing this at home with your phone, with a laptop, and then you are good to go. If I in Ghana, outside Ghana, or wherever you're watching this particular video, just stay out for my next video, which is going to talk about a lot of affiliate programs which will help you. So this is the first strategy. It has been helping me a lot. Now the second one I'm going to talk about is content creating. Now you can see me recording video here. I'm basically using only my mobile device and a light. Okay, so you can just clarify and check to see my background here, that my background is not blurry enough. It's just plain. You can just see that it's a normal camera I am using right now here. Okay, so affiliate content creating is one of the best ways to even promote your affiliate products. Or you can even go ahead and start out with something, either content creating as in niche, as in tech, as in fashion, as in entertainment, as in whatever niche you come across with. Okay, so you don't want to begin something like entertainment, music, lyrics, whatever. Just come out with something creative. Start creating something. Now you and I can bear witness that TikTok is moving a long way. Just by the fact that you might not be accessible to TikTok, or if you are even accessible to TikTok, you can start coming out with a good content for yourself. Now, we all know Facebook is one of them, but content creating, a lot of people are making money on YouTube on content creating. Do we know that? Now, you can start producing a lot of content and then uploading them on YouTube. Just hope to reach the minimum or the maximum basic criteria for YouTube and you're good to go. So you have to start creating something for yourself. Now, I made videos on YouTube. This is my first time showing my face on YouTube, but I've been using the voiceover for my videos, but this is my first time. Now you can start creating something like that for yourself. Despite the fact you're going to give a good result, a good and legit outcome from your video. So start producing something. You can see my niche is always about finance. So what I do is how to make money, how to make money. Now you can start out with something for yourself. If not finance, entertainment, clothing, lifestyle, fashion, just comedy, just come out with any niche you can. Okay, so that's one strategy I'm also going to share with you. Now you all know the world is turning into a digital platform. So you have to also start engage yourself into digital way of making money on the internet. So these are two strategies I'm going to do. And the last one is what we call the Ponzi scheme. Now, Ponzi schemes in 50% way can make you rich. Now, Ponzi scheme in 50% way can also make you the very poorest man in this world. So whenever I make a video, I always talk about saying I'm nowhere a financial advisor, so please do your own research about whatever you will do concerning that particular platform. Now, if you are very important, if you are very serious to make money on the internet, you can make a lot of money with Ponzi scheme. Now, whatever we do on the internet with Ponzi schemes, we take risk. Now, Ponzi schemes are this platform which you have to invest your money and then you earn some profit out from it. Just by the fact that we don't mostly know when they will collapse. That is why there is the need for you to join my Telegram channel, because there I share with you how to make money with these people and not to gain any loss from there. Okay, so go ahead and join me out there. Let's all produce something together. Let's all learn together. It's a community. We come from different backgrounds to form a community. So go ahead and join the Telegram and then let's all produce something very effectively out there. So most people made money and most people made good use of Mazda. And Mazda helped a lot of people from the period of November to December up to January. So a lot of people make money out from there. So you can start producing something or start making money on the internet. These are some of the sources I can make mention of as a beginner for you to start making money on the internet. But the most recommended ones are the affiliate marketing and content creating for now. So this is what it have been helping me for some period of time. And I think there is the need for me to share this video as we are currently watching. Now, if you really enjoy this content or these little strategies or suggestions coming out from me, please go ahead, feel free, and then go ahead subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like it, leave a nice comment, whatever you think, just leave it in the comment section. And also, if you are even engaging in any affiliate program, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Let's all learn together. Join the Telegram channel. Let's all produce something effective out here. So now, upon all what I've just said here, whenever you want to start making money, there are two things involved: your time and consistency. Okay, so you have to put these two things as a key major things you have to be doing each and every day. So you have into affiliate market, you can't go ahead and produce your products for every month or every week. No, you have to be always consistent. A day, 2 days time, you have to visit the platform, get to know how it works. If you're a content creator, you have to also produce content within the week, each and every day, or 2 days, 3 days time, not a month, not a 2 months time. Okay. So these are two keys I will add in conclusion is to make money with you. Aside that, nothing else. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.